make edible slime. Let's get started. So today I'm gonna get some ingredients. I'm gonna teleport. So 3, 2, 1. Okay, so I'm back with some marshmallows. So first, what you wanna do is you're gonna take some marshmallows. It's really hard to get it out, but so I can just grab a bunch. Guys, look, it's an iceberg. Oh, I see a tiny polar bear who is waving for help. Don't care. So take a bunch of marshmallows, and then I'm gonna teleport. First I have a 10-second subscribe and like and subscribe in 10 seconds, because then I'll get some prizes and send them. So what you want to do is you'll want to take some marshmallows and put it in the microwave, and then it's gonna pop up shortly. So don't do 1 minute. Warning, do not put in for a long time. So do it about for 15 seconds. I'm gonna teleport and it's gonna be done. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so I got the marshmallows for 15 seconds. Oh, and look at this. It's jelly. So you should get a spoon and then start to mix it up. And then it'll become like a fluffy cloud. It'll be sticky for a long time, so I recommend you don't put your hands on it. I've done it before, and I had trouble getting it out. So I recommend not to put it in your whole hands. Just use a spoon because it's going to be sticky for a long time, and you won't like it. So, thanks for watching. Subscribe and like to Gamer Ghost, and have a nice day.